Every one of us knew regarding the evolution of humans, right? The process of evolution started in Africa. From there, the early humans spread slowly across the other continents. These early humans modified natural conditions to suit their requirements. Okay, that is, they modified the surrounding environment according to their needs. These early humans led a simple lives. The period of human history from around 500,000 BCE to 4000 BCE, when the humans used mainly the stone tools, is known as the Stone Age. So, when humans mostly used stones as their tools, that particular period of time is called as Stone Age. The historians divided Stone Age into three. They are Old Stone Age, it is also called as Paleolithic Age, the Middle Stone Age, also called as the Mesolithic Age, and the New Stone Age. It is also called as Neolithic Age. So, let us explore the various stone ages. So, what are the sources of Stone Age? That is, from where did the historians get all the information regarding the Stone Age about? The sources are archaeological sources. That is, since the Stone Age was a period before humans learnt to write, our knowledge of this period comes only from the archaeological sources. The bones, the tools, the weapons, the cave paintings, the potteries which the early humans used, these remains are excavated by the archaeologists and they provide us with the informations. At present, Keeladi site is being excavated. Okay, that is the best example for archaeological site. Similarly, archaeologists get many information regarding the Stone Age only through the archaeological sources. So, whatever the archaeologists excavate from the underground will be analyzed and they provide us with informations to us. Now, let us study about the Old Stone Age in detail. It is also called as the Paleolithic Age. The word Palaios in Greek means old. Lithos means stone. So, it is called as Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. The early humans were nomads. That is, the humans moved from one place to another. They did not have any permanent homes and always moved in groups. The early humans hunted and usually ate raw meat along with vegetables and fruits. Since the hunting could not support the growing population in one place, they moved from one place to another, mainly in search of food. In order to protect themselves, the early humans used simple tools and weapons made out of stones. First, they were using simple stone tools and weapons. Then, as the time grew, the early humans started to design their own stone tools, which were used for specific and different purposes. For example, sharp and light-weighted tools like these were used for cutting animals and scraping their skins. These hard and non-sharp tools were used for breaking purposes or even for hunting. The early humans used animal skin, bark of the trees, leaves of the trees as clothing. These early humans took shelter in natural caves and they spent only less number of time in the natural caves since they are nomads. Since they were nomads. They moved from one place to another. They did not have permanent settlement. But whenever they took rest, they sheltered themselves in natural caves. One of the best source for Stone Age was the cave paintings. Okay, the early humans used to paint on the caves using natural dyes like plant extracts or any vegetable extracts. Historians believe that these cave paintings may contain figures of humans as well as the animals which they hunted. Now, I am going to tell you about the important discoveries of the Old Stone Age. Okay? Historians believe that the fire was accidentally discovered by the early humans at the end of Old Stone Age. Now, let us see the story of discovery of fire. Okay, there was a mother. Okay, she was cooking in the kitchen using stone tools. Okay, she had 2 sons. For this instance, that is for example, I am naming them Ramu and Somu. Okay, these Ramu Somu brothers were playing with their stone toys. இப்போ சின்ன பசங்கள்கிட்ட பொம்மை கிடைச்சா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அந்த பொம்மையை வச்சு நம்ம ஏதாவது பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? Similarly, Ramu and Somu started playing with the stone. How did they play with the stone? They started rubbing the stone with each other in a very fast movement. So when the stones were rubbed in the fast movement, there came a spark. Ramu and Somu, they were totally surprised. They informed their mother who was cooking. Thus, they discovered fire. Okay? So, the old Stone Age people discovered fire using stones. Later, this fire was used for cooking as well as to protect themselves from the others and for various purposes also. Next, the old Stone Age people invented wheel. This wheel is not smooth and round in shape as which we use now, but it had uneven shape and rough edges. These rough edges were cut out of the tree trunks. See, this was not invented in a single day. People had tried various methods to transport their goods. Because how long they will be carrying in their hands, correct? So, to make their transportation of goods easy, they wanted to invent something as a wheel. Okay, exacta, they did not invent a wheel, that is proper wheel kadiyadu, but approximately they designed a wheel which they can use for transportation of the goods. So, above the wheel, a stand might have been kept. On the stand, the goods should have been placed. We believe that this should have happened. So, approximately the wheel was invented by them. This wheel was invented by them by various trial and error methods only. Okay, they would have tried one thing, அது வந்து failure ஆயிக்கலாம். They would have designed another wheel, that should have been also a failure. So, இந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா trial பண்ணி error ஆகி again they would have tried and approximately they would have built a wheel. Okay, designed their own wheel. So, old Stone Age people invented wheel. The Paleolithic sites of India are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. So, this is all about the old Stone Age or the Paleolithic age. Thank you. Thank you.